Ice cream. Just thinking about it makes your mouth water, right? But have you ever wondered how this delicious treat goes from simple ingredients to the perfect scoop? Today, we're diving into the frosty world of ice cream to uncover the secrets of how it's made. Stay tuned, because what you discover might just surprise you. It all starts with just a few humble ingredients: cream, milk, sugar, and eggs. But don't let their simplicity fool you. These ingredients are the building blocks for something magical. The first step, mixing them together into a rich, velvety base. But what happens next? Well, that's where the science kicks in. Before we get to the churning, something crucial needs to happen to this mixture. Something that will transform it from a simple custard into the ice cream we all crave. But what could that be? That's right, heat. It's the essential element that transforms our ingredients into something extraordinary. Before we get to the freezing part, this mix needs to be cooked. This step is crucial for developing the flavors and ensuring the right consistency. But why, you ask? This step is all about pasteurization. Pasteurization is a process that kills harmful bacteria by heating the mixture to a specific temperature. By heating the mixture, we're not only ensuring it's safe to eat, but we're also creating a smoother texture. The heat helps to break down the proteins and fats, making the final product creamy and delicious. But be careful. One wrong move, and you could ruin the whole batch. Overheating can cause the mixture to curdle or burn, which would be a disaster. What exactly do we need to watch out for? Timing is everything here. You need to monitor the temperature closely and stir constantly to prevent any mishaps. Leave it on too long, and you risk scorching the mix. Scorched flavors can ruin the delicate balance we're aiming for. But if you nail it, the results are worth it. The mixture will be perfectly smooth, rich, and ready for the next step. Just wait until you see what happens next. The transformation from this heated mixture to a frozen delight is truly magical. Now that we've survived the heat, it's time to cool things down. This isn't just about getting the temperature lower, it's about creating the right conditions for the final transformation. But why is cooling so important? And what's this about an ice bath? The secret is in the rapid cooling. This step sets the stage for freezing by preventing ice crystals from growing too large. The smoother the texture, the better the ice cream. But don't think we're done yet. In fact, the most exciting part is just around the corner. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the churning. This is where the magic really happens. The churning process is crucial in transforming a simple mixture into a delightful treat. As the mixture churns, air is incorporated, creating that light, fluffy texture we all love. This step is essential for achieving the perfect consistency. But did you know there's more to it than just mixing? The science behind it is fascinating. There's a scientific reason why ice cream needs to be churned just right. The balance of temperature and movement is key. The key here is freezing the mixture while it churns. This ensures that the ice crystals form evenly, giving the ice cream its smooth texture. Too slow, and you get icy, hard ice cream. This happens because large ice crystals form, ruining the texture. Too fast, and it might not freeze at all. The mixture remains too liquid, and you end up with a soupy mess. But when it's just right, you're left with that perfect scoopable texture. The ideal balance creates a creamy, smooth delight. But what about the flavor? The churning process also helps in evenly distributing the flavors throughout the mixture. How do we make sure it's just as good as the texture? By carefully selecting and blending the ingredients, we ensure that every bite is a burst of flavor. From classic vanilla to exotic mango, each flavor has its own unique process to achieve the perfect taste and texture. And that's the magic of ice cream. A perfect blend of science and art, creating joy in every scoop. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, the classic trio that has delighted taste buds for generations. Whatever your favorite flavor, this is where it comes to life, crafted with precision and passion. Adding flavors is more than just mixing in ingredients. It's about balance and timing. Each flavor extract is measured meticulously, ensuring the perfect harmony. But how do you make sure the flavors are evenly distributed? It's a delicate process that requires skill and experience. And what happens when you mix in something chunky, like chocolate chips or cookie dough? These mix-ins add texture and bursts of flavor. There's a fine line between creating a swirl of flavor and ending up with a mess. The key is in the technique. The secret? adding the flavors at just the right moment. Timing is everything in the world of ice cream making. Too early, and you lose the intensity. The vibrant colors and rich flavors can fade away. Too late, and the mix-ins won't blend properly. You'll end up with uneven bites and a disappointing texture. Get it just right, and you've got a flavor explosion waiting to happen. Each bite is a perfect blend of taste and texture. But there's still one final step before we can dig in. The ice cream needs to be frozen to the perfect consistency, ensuring it's ready to be enjoyed. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, the first scoop. The culmination of all the hard work, precision, and passion. It's more than just a dessert. It's an experience, a celebration of flavors that brings people together. Our ice cream is almost ready, but there's one last thing it needs: time. After churning, it's crucial to let the ice cream harden in the freezer. This final freeze gives it that perfect scoopable consistency. But why does it need this extra step? It's all about giving the flavors time to meld and the texture to firm up just right. So, how long should you wait before digging in? Well, that's the hardest part, being patient. But trust me, the wait is worth it. And there you have it, the journey from simple ingredients to a delicious bowl of ice cream. It's a process that blends science and creativity, and now you know the secrets behind every scoop. So the next time you take a bite, you'll have a whole new appreciation for this frozen treat. Tell us in the comments below, what's your favorite flavor? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more delicious science. See you next time.